Discover the charm of this adorable bungalow nestled on a spacious wooded lot in a serene neighborhood. With its inviting covered front porch, it's the perfect retreat to unwind. Step inside to find a home brimming with character, from the beautiful hardwood floors to the cozy fireplace. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living area to a delightful kitchen with a breakfast bar, ideal for morning gatherings. The main level boasts a generous bedroom, a versatile den that could serve as an office or small bedroom, and a full bathroom. Ascend to the second floor to find 3 additional bedrooms, offering ample storage space. The partially finished basement enhances this home's appeal with a potential second kitchen, a modern full bathroom, and a spacious family/rec room, complete with its own entrance. Outside, the property features a 2-car detached garage, an additional